In last video, we learnt about stars, planets, the solar system. Today, we are going to learn about satellites, other heavenly bodies in the solar system. Every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path. This path is known as that planet's orbit. In solar system, every planet revolves around the sun is in the center, and all the planets around the sun revolves around the sun. The path the path on which that planet moves, this path is known as planet's ऑर्बिट. त्यांना काय म्हणायचं? प्लॅनेट्स ऑर्बिट, ग्रहांची कक्षा. The sun, which is a star, and the planets that revolves around it are together called the solar system. कशाला म्हणायचं solar system? Solar system is the planets that revolves around the sun, and sun all together which says solar system. Beside the planets, the solar system also includes various other heavenly bodies. Only planets, besides planets and solar system, it includes other heavenly bodies. The solar system includes other heavenly bodies. Other heavenly bodies in the solar system: satellites. Some heavenly bodies revolve around planets. These are called satellites. त्यांना म्हणायचं उपग्रह. सॅटेलाइट म्हणजे काय? उपग्रह. Some heavenly bodies revolves around the planets. जे प्लॅनेट्स आहेत त्यांच्या बाजूला ते फिरतात. त्यांना काय म्हणायचं? सॅटेलाइट. Satellite to get their light from the sun. The satellite to get their light from the sun. त्यांना सुद्धा सूर्याकडूनच प्रकाश मिळतो. We see the moon at night. It revolves around the earth. Hence it is called the satellite of the earth. Look at this. Look at this picture. Here it is earth, and this is moon. The moon revolves around the earth. The moon revolves around the earth. The moon that we show in the night revolves around the earth. So the moon is the satellite of the earth. The moon is the satellite of the earth. Most of the planets in the solar system have satellites. The planets revolve around the sun along with their satellites. The planets revolve around the sun along with their planets. जे प्लॅनेट्स आहेत ते त्यांच्या सॅटेलाइट सोबत सनच्या भोवती फिरतात. त्यानंतर आहे डॉर्फ प्लॅनेट्स. डॉर्फ म्हणजे काय? लहान, बट्टू ग्रह. डॉर्फ प्लॅनेट्स, बट्टू ग्रह. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolves around the sun. बघा, there are some smaller म्हणजे लहान अशा खगोलीय वस्तू आहेत ज्या सनच्या बाजूने फिरतायत. ह्या चित्रामध्ये दाखवलेले बघा, बारीक अशा बारीकशा लहान प्लॅनेट्स आहेत. त्यांना म्हणायचं डॉर्फ प्लॅनेट्स. इथं दाखवलेले प्लुटो हो काय आहे? डॉर्फ प्लॅनेट्स आहे. ॲज वी कम्पेअर टू अदर प्लॅनेट्स, these planets are too small. जर आपण दुसऱ्या प्लॅनेट्सची कम्पेअर केलं तर तो प्लॅनेट काय आहे? लहान आहे, म्हणून त्याला म्हटलेलं आहे डॉर्फ प्लॅनेट. They are called dwarf planet. Of these, the most well known is Pluto. Dwarf planets revolve independently around the sun. They have an orbit of their own. त्यांना त्यांचं स्वतःचं ऑर्बिट असतं. Then asteroid. Between the planets Mars and Jupiter. Now look at this picture. Where is the Mars? Here it is a Mars. And where is the Jupiter? Jupiter is here. Now look, in between Mars and Jupiter there are many more heavenly bodies present, small heavenly bodies. They are called asteroids. त्यांना काय म्हणायचं? Asteroids, लघुग्रह. They are called asteroid. Asteroid also revolve around the sun. Compared to sun, other heavenly bodies in the solar system are much smaller. Compared to the sun, other heavenly bodies are much smaller. सूर्यापेक्षा सर्व बाकीच्या ज्या खगोलीय वस्तू आहेत, हेवनली बॉडीज आहेत, त्या कशा आहेत? स्मॉल आहेत. द मून इज द क्लोजेस्ट टू द अर्थ. मून इज द क्लोजेस्ट टू द अर्थ. मून हा आपल्या अर्थच्या जवळ आहे. त्यामुळे दॅट इज वाय, त्यामुळे इट ॲपियर्स टू बी सो बिग अल्दो इट इज ॲक्च्युअली व्हेरी मच स्मॉलर दॅन द सन. त्याच्यामुळं तो आपल्याला मोठा दिसतो. तो लहान असला तरी त्याच्यामुळं तो आपल्याला मोठा दिसतो. अ डायग्राम ऑफ द सोलार सिस्टम इज गिवन बिलो. इन इट यू सी द सन इन द सेंटर, the heavenly body that revolves around it and their orbits. The planets, satellites, dwarf planets and asteroids are all part of solar system. These are all the parts of the solar system, which are planets, satellites, dwarf planets and asteroids are all the part of solar system. Now answer these questions. Can you tell, look at the picture of the solar system and answer the following question. Which planet is the nearest to the sun? Which planet is the nearest to the sun? Which is the first planet? Mercury. Very good. Mercury is the first nearest to the sun. Second question, at what position is the earth from the sun? Now look again in the picture. Where is the earth? Here it is a earth. In which position earth is revolves around the sun? First Mercury, second Venus and third is earth. It means in third position is the earth from the sun. Third one is, which planet is placed between the earth and Mercury? Earth. Here it is a earth and here it is a Mercury. Which planet is present in between earth and Mercury? That is Venus. Venus is present in between earth and Mercury. Name the planets beyond the orbit of Mars in a serial order. Mars. Here it is a Mars in fourth position. After the Mars, which planets comes? Then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Which planet is the furthest from the sun? Which planet is the furthest from the sun? Furthest म्हणजे सर्वात दूरचा कोणता ग्रह आहे? Which planet is the furthest from the sun? Neptune. Neptune is the furthest planet from the sun. Pluto is a dwarf planet. It is planet, but it is a dwarf planet. Okay.